Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, today I bring to you another informative video. Today we are talking about the top 8 best foods to increase blood flow and circulation. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted, okay? So guys, if you'll be interested to know the best food to increase blood flow and circulation, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. Good blood circulation is essential for the body because it allows the transport of oxygen and nutrients to the cells. Diet plays a vital role in blood flow, and certain foods can have a positive or negative effect on circulation. Many lifestyle factors can affect circulation, such as physical activity, smoking, and weight gain. Some medical conditions can cause poor circulation, including atherosclerosis, diabetes, mellitus, and blood clots. Number 1 on my list, pomegranate. Not only do you get a sweet, juicy, and healthy snack with pomegranate, you also get a shot of polyphenol, antioxidants, and nitrate-potent vasodilators or blood vessel looseners. A pomegranate a day is also a superfood for active individuals since it aids in the oxygenation of muscle tissues. Two, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a warming spice that provides many health benefits, including better circulation. Cinnamon also helps boost blood vessel dilation and flow in the artery, which supplies blood to the heart. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel can be an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. This type of fat is especially beneficial for blood flow, since they promote the release of nitric oxide, which dilates your blood vessels and increases blood flow. Omega-3 fats can also lessen the clumping of platelets in the blood, one of the precursors of blood clots formation. Four, berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. The antioxidant anthocyanin, which gives berries their red and purple color, helps to protect arteries from damage and keeps them from becoming too rigid. It also triggers the release of nitric oxide, which aids blood flow and lowers blood pressure. Five, citrus fruit. In addition to being rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are brimming with flavonoids. These flavonoids have a beneficial effect on blood pressure. Six, garlic. Garlic is an unusual but essential food for improving blood circulation. It contains allicin, which is popularly known for relaxing blood vessels. It has been observed that people who ate garlic experienced better blood circulation through the heart. Seven, tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and iron. Tomato is a magical food for people looking for improved blood flow. Both vitamin C and iron work well together to maintain blood health and help in blood circulation. Number 8, the last on my list, red peppers. Red peppers contains capsaicin that builds blood and makes the flow of blood easy. Yes guys, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching as I enjoyed putting together this content for you guys. Please, if you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, and also kindly subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. And also do not forget to turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for all the massive love and support. I don't take them for granted. I truly appreciate. Okay guys, sure to see you in my next one. Bye.